Free patterns. Yes, they're out there, and I'm so excited to share where I get free patterns. It comes up on my Facebook all the time, especially for beginners. It's just really nice to have a way to try out the craft without spending any money. So the first way is actually just go to Google or whatever your search engine is and type in free book folding patterns, and you're going to get a ton. All in the Folds is a great source, so go ahead and click on that. And they offer measure and mark, cut and fold, multi-layer, all different things. So let's go to measure, mark, and fold because that's the best source for a beginner. And then when you go down, they have this really pretty home one. They have charity patterns. So let's say you want the home one. You click on download, and then you go right here with your arrow. You're going to find the download. And there we go. As easy as that, you have your very first free pattern. So check out Google. Really easy. Next one is Pinterest. Now on Pinterest, you're going to have to be careful because a lot of times they're going to say free pattern and they're not. So for example, here it says free book folding patterns to download right here. When I went to click and check this out before I made the video, I was all excited. I'm like, oh, here's tons of free book folding patterns. Not the case. So this read one, I was really super excited about. It says get pattern here. I clicked on it, and unfortunately it brought me to Etsy where they wanted me to spend $5.99 on the pattern. So just be aware that a lot of times you're going to get some clickbait. So Pinterest does have some free patterns, but you're going to have to search. The next source is Facebook. Now within Facebook, you can go ahead and check out my Facebook group called Bookfolding for Beginners and Beyond. The link is below, and there are truly free patterns here. So if you go to any of the bookfolding groups on Facebook, most of them have something under files. So check out files, and you're going to see there are tons of free patterns. Either I put them on there or some of my patrons put them on there. So here's a Kwanzaa one. There's one here for holly. Here's a Grinch ornament. So let's go ahead and click on here, this love one, getting ready for Valentine's Day. You click on it, then click on the PDF. Once again, it's going to get downloaded. Go to your downloads, and here you go. Here's a free cut and fold pattern for 421 pages, a book that's 22 centimeters, created by me, and there's your free pattern. How nice is that? And the advantage of having this on the computer as well, you can print it, but if you want it to enlarge it, you can just zoom right in. So you can either do it with your two fingers by zooming in, or right here you can zoom in. So that's kind of a nice little trick right there. Now, my Facebook page is not the only place that you can go. There are tons of Facebook pages. So this one, Bookfolding for All, I went to Files and check it out. There were tons here as well. Halloween. There's all different book ones, Friends, Always My Sister, In God We Trust, Batman. So join lots of Facebook pages, lots of free patterns there. And then don't forget the good old library. They may have, for example, they may have my book, Bookfolding for Beginners and Beyond, or you can request it. Because if they have it, here's my book. It's available on Amazon or anywhere where you buy your online books. But if the library has it, you can go ahead and find all the patterns in this book. There's 14 in this one, and there's tons of other books. So no matter where you go, there are free patterns out there. So please enjoy the free patterns. And then if you